All right. All right. Thank you for sharing.
Absolutely.
Right. How it was? You just attended a PSYCH-K basic workshop, huh?
I just want to let you know I've been having the experience of my life. I am 45 years old, and for the past 30 years, and this is part of the testimony that I'm going to say, I'm been a smoker, heavy smoker, over one pack a day, and with the help of Mary guiding us through this process with PSYCH-K, and Anna and all the people around, in connection with the divine. I can tell you that I am smoke free. I went home yesterday and I have nauseous about having a cigarette, which is definitely not normal, something that I really want. And so that's one of the experiences that I had here at PSYCH-K. And I definitely encourage anyone who wants to go ahead and change their life and have new beginnings and be in contact with the divine, go ahead and join PSYCH-K, and definitely give a call to Mary. Choose Mary. She's good. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.